I'm Fiona Audsley, and together with my husband Michael, we run Pittenweem Preserves. We're based here in the Jam Shack in the centre of beautiful Pittenweem. We make small batch preserves. We make them all in our kitchen right behind me. The Fife Trade Development Programme has been invaluable to us, especially through the lockdown. Without their financial support and their help and guidance, we wouldn't have survived. The best part about running a food and drink business in Fife is the network that we have here. So under a mile from the Jam Shack doors, we have the most amazing fruit farm. So we pick up the fruit, make it into our award-winning jam, and then we sell it 2 miles along the road. This local network is key to our success. Going forward, we're looking at a new challenge. We're looking to work with the tourist industry. We've been very lucky to secure business from the National Trust for Scotland and are so proud to be supplying some of the best tourist attractions in Scotland.